If every location had a crew like this, these would be the easiest jobs in the world. 3 stops in one day, and have another fun day in the world of trucking. To share news stories with our audience, head over to our Facebook group, That's Truckin', or email us today, that's truckinnews@outlook.com. Here in the great city of Boise, Idaho, at another overhead door company. Got here about a half hour ago, and they're already knee-deep in the trailer. Now this is a crew. If every location had a crew like this, these would be the easiest jobs in the world. We should be out of here in no time at all.
I would imagine there's another short one coming.
All right, and we are done. Just gotta strap a few things down here.
What do you think? Do you want the ratchet down, away from all those sections? You're not rubbing on them?
Well,
Or you want it up? I don't care. I can take it either way.
you don't want to say that on video, Dave. Anyway, yeah. If you got another one of those loose sections or small spots we can go around, I was just gonna do one right around the whole thing, come up around
here?
the shelving unit, yeah. Not that it's helping much, it's getting crunched. So that section battened down, and we got this. Looks like we're good to go. There's a sad truth in this reality. The sad truth is, not all loads go as simple as what you're seeing on film. I make it look easy because I know what I'm filming and I know the message I want to send. But the truth is actually a lot different. The truth is, logistics delays and issues with loading and unloading cost this industry almost $2 billion a year. It's a statistical fact. Not all loads go as simple as the ones you're seeing on film today. And we really need to do our part to make this industry better. Now I realize I'm going to get a lot of blowback on the comments.
Yeah, it's easy for you to say because you're behind the camera and you do your cushy job the way.
Look, I'm just as much a part of this industry as you, the 30-year professional. I got just as much say-so in this as you do. Truth is, $2 billion is a lot of money. And imagine if we could save that, put that in our pockets. Once again, the name is The World of Truckin'. Is setting the world wise to exactly what it is we go through out here every day and give you the information you need to help make trucking great again. Enough of me bantering. Let's get on to stop number 2. Nampa, Idaho. Be approaching here in about less than a mile. Down here on the right. Let's see what this unload holds for us. Well, what you can't see through the temporary tag on my window is an opening, so I gotta see whether or not I gotta back in, drive in, what the hell the deal is. Back in. Got a one-way street sitting here with what you can tell is pretty moderate traffic. And you've got to back into that. Can't say people do that every day, huh? I didn't get a gander at how many pieces are in this order.
Quite a few.
Quite a few, yeah. Be lucky you weren't the first stop.
What's that?
You're gonna be lucky you weren't the first stop.
Yeah.
First stop had crap all the way to the top, and he had to climb in behind everything to get his stuff.
Nice.
Don't ask why they did that, but they just did. This stop is done. Everything's all set up. We are on the way now to our last stop, which is New Plymouth, Idaho. Not too far down the way. Let's get on down there. Let's get this trailer emptied out. God hope I don't have to clean this whole thing out because it looks nasty right now. And that big wooden contraption with all the rails on it. I know you saw that. I hope the hell I don't have to manhandle that myself. But this is like anything else. It's a learning experience. Alrighty, we have arrived at our location. overhead doors. Right there where the awning is. Just tell me when to stop.
I'm guessing the whole truck's yours.
Okay.
'Cause I don't have any more paperwork, so.
So you got the 8x8.
Oh, looks like they're gonna be it. Huh? Well, it could be in the back of the pile back there.
No, believe it or not, those were put up there by people in Boise. That was the third stop. You could thank them.
So what do you want first? What do you want there? Long door, big door? Sure. Battery full?
Okay, I'll put 1 and 3.
Here's what was it, 14.2?
Yes.
Here's 9x7 or
Red
down
dot.
there.
Three stops, one load, all done in one day. Good times, good money, and good scenery. If this is trucking content you can relate to, like this video. Be sure to look for updates on our Facebook group page, that's Truckin.
Become a subscriber and check out the video to the right of the screen for more information.
It's the people that move trucks, but the trucks that move the world. Without trucks, the world stops. Until next time,
Keep them rolling.